Hello, and welcome to another episode of Learn English in Real Life. I'm Alex, and as always, we're here to explore real topics at your pace, focusing on listening and speaking while breaking things down step by step. Today, we're diving into a question that's been on everyone's mind at some point. What makes life meaningful? We all search for purpose in our lives, and sometimes finding it can feel like a big challenge. But don't worry, we're going to unpack this together by looking at how things like family, health, and even personality shape how we feel about our purpose in life. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on this journey to discover what gives our lives meaning. Life has always been a big question that many people try to understand throughout their lives. The question, what makes life meaningful, is asked by philosophers, scientists, and regular people. We are born with a natural curiosity to explore the world around us, so it makes sense that we search for answers to this important question. Even though the question is big, it affects our lives in many ways. Our choices, actions, and the way we see life are all shaped by this search for meaning, even if we cannot always say exactly what the meaning is. In this podcast, we will look at research from the University of Michigan Health and Retirement Study. This study explores how different parts of life, like money, health, mental health, relationships, and personality traits, affect how we find meaning in life. By looking at this data, we want to discover the main factors that make us feel more purposeful and happy. First, let's talk about the connection between money and life's meaning. Money is often seen as a way to solve many of life's problems. It can give us security, reduce stress, and even help us enjoy luxuries. But does having more money automatically make life more meaningful? Surprisingly, the research shows that the link between money and purpose is not as clear as we might think. Yes, having more money can make life easier, but it can also create new problems. People with a lot of money often feel pressure to keep their wealth, which can cause stress and anxiety. Some people who spend money on things like cars, homes, or vacations report feeling more purposeful, while others who save or invest money in bonds or certificates often feel more anxious. This shows that how we use money is just as important as how much we have. Interestingly, the link between wealth and purpose is weak. People with both a lot of money and little money can feel differently about their purpose. Some people are happy with what they have, while others, even with a lot of wealth, always feel they need more. Meaning in life doesn't seem to depend on how much money you have, but rather on how you see and use it. Next, let's talk about physical health and its connection to life's meaning. Many people believe that being healthy directly relates to a greater sense of meaning in life. When we are healthy, we feel motivated, positive, and able to reach our goals. But the research challenges this idea. Interestingly, people who have health problems or physical limitations actually report feeling slightly more purposeful in life than those who don't have these limitations. While the difference is small, it raises a question: does good physical health always mean more purpose? When people face physical challenges, they may think more deeply about life and find meaning in things that don't rely on physical health. Without the distractions of being very active, Some people might focus on things like personal growth, relationships, or spiritual reflection. These findings suggest that life's meaning may not depend on physical health, but rather on how we respond to challenges and if we can find purpose in things beyond physical abilities. Let's now look at mental health. Mental health plays a big role in how we see ourselves and the world. In fact, mental health can affect the meaning of life as much as physical health. People with mental health problems, like anxiety or depression, often feel disconnected from their purpose in life, and research shows this. The study found that mental health problems are linked to feeling less purpose. For example, people with anxiety tend to report a lower sense of meaning in life. This connection shows that as anxiety increases, the sense of purpose decreases. Similarly, the study looked at depression and its effects on purpose. People who have been depressed for a long time tend to have much lower purpose in life scores compared to those who have not been depressed. This makes sense because depression can make people question their value and feel it's harder to find meaning in life. Overall, mental health conditions, especially depression, make it harder for people to feel connected to their purpose, which shows how important mental health is for understanding life's meaning. Next, let's explore how family relationships affect life's meaning. Our family plays a big role in our lives from the time we are born. Family shapes our beliefs, values, and personality, and it has a strong effect on how we see our purpose. Research shows that people with strong family relationships feel a greater sense of purpose in life. These relationships give us support, security, and a sense of belonging, which are all important for a meaningful life. Data from the University of Michigan Health and Retirement Study shows a clear connection between family quality and life's meaning. People who rate their family relationships as good tend to have a higher sense of purpose. On the other hand, people with poorer family relationships often report feeling less connected to their purpose. This shows that family doesn't just affect our emotional well-being, but also plays an important role in shaping our sense of meaning in life. To summarize the first part of our discussion, we can say that life's meaning comes from a combination of many factors. Money, health, and relationships all play a role, but none of them can be seen as the only reason we feel purpose. As we've seen, it's not just about how much money we have or whether we're perfectly healthy. It's about how we engage with these factors and whether they make us feel fulfilled. We still have more to explore, and in the second part of this podcast, we'll look at other factors, like personality traits, and how they shape our sense of purpose. In this part of the podcast, we'll look at how family relationships affect the meaning of life. Family relationships have a strong influence on us from the moment we are born. They shape our beliefs, values, and personalities. They also play a big role in how we see our purpose in life. Studies show that people with good family relationships tend to feel more meaning in life. These relationships offer emotional support, security, and a sense of belonging, which all help create a fulfilling and meaningful life. Data from the University of Michigan Health and Retirement Study shows a clear link between the quality of family relationships and the sense of purpose in life. People who rate their family relationships as high quality tend to feel more meaning in life. On the other hand, people with lower quality family relationships often feel less connected to their purpose. This shows that family doesn't just affect our emotional health, but also plays a key role in shaping our sense of meaning. Now, let's look at how personality traits shape life's meaning. Personality is a very important part of what makes us unique. It affects how we think, feel, and interact with the world. The Big Five personality traits, openness to experience, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism, are the most widely accepted way to understand human personality. Research shows that some personality traits are linked to a stronger sense of purpose. For example, people who score high on openness to experience tend to explore life more deeply, which can help them find more meaning. Similarly, people who are conscientious, organized, disciplined, and goal-oriented often feel more fulfilled as they work toward their goals. Extroverted people, who are social and outgoing, usually build stronger relationships, which also contributes to a sense of purpose. On the other hand, people who score high in neuroticism, which involves emotional instability and mood swings, tend to feel less connected to their purpose in life. To summarize the second part, we can say that life's meaning comes from a mix of different factors. We've learned that money, health, relationships, and personality all play important roles in shaping our sense of purpose, but none of them can be the only factor. As we've seen, it's not just about having money or perfect health. What matters most is how we interact with these factors and whether we find meaning through them. However, there is still more to explore. In the final part of this podcast, we'll reflect on how all of these factors come together and help us live a meaningful life. In conclusion, the research shows that a fulfilling life focuses on mental well-being, social relationships, and personal growth. While money and physical health are important, it is mental health and supportive relationships that contribute the most to our sense of purpose. Meaning is something we create by reflecting, connecting with others, and growing. By nurturing these areas, we can create a unique sense of meaning that gives us a life worth living. Well, that's it for today's episode of Learn English in Real Life. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to join us next time. Until then, take care and see you soon.